today I'm going to unwrap this. This one's the 2010 to 2015 Toyota Prius matte black Tommy K style rear spoiler wing. So before I was keeping my eyes on this rear wing, before they were charging about $478 or best offer. And then somehow I was just looking around, and there were a couple of other sellers selling for a little bit lower than $200 at first. One of them is selling for $192.99, and then this is the lowest that I found, which is $159.99. But initially I purchased this from the same seller, and the seller told me, oh, they don't have the install until September 15. So I had to wait until like September 17, and then I purchased it. And then somebody still showed that the item was not shipped. So I had to file a dispute. And then, so when I filed it, the seller said, oh, they just got their items in from the warehouse. So they decided to ship it out. So here we go. We finally got it. And hopefully it's exactly the same wings that was in the ad. So let's go ahead and try to unwrap this. I know it's just a lot of tape, so I might cut it out all the way. gosh. We might have a little problem. I don't see any hardware or screw kit. My God, the screw is a different color. And it's kind of warped a little bit. So it's kind of scratched up. So I'm missing like 2 screws on, well, actually 4 screws on each side. And this is made in China. I guess Toyota STY039. So I got the little design right there. 4 of those. Oh my god, my finger is turning black. So it's missing like a hardware. I think there's like a L bracket. So there's a 3 screws on each side to tighten it down. Anyway, I'm going to send the seller the email real quick about this situation that I did not receive the hardware and then the screw kit. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.